Plastic pallet covers. Types, applications, and advantages. This video will provide detailed information about plastic pallet covers. What are plastic pallet covers? How to use plastic pallet covers. Applications of plastic pallet covers. Types of plastic pallet covers. Pallet cover measurements and procedures. Industrial applications of plastic pallet covers. Differences between plastic covers and plastic pallet tarps. Important aspects of plastic pallet covers. And much more. Chapter 1. Understanding plastic pallet covers. Using plastic pallet covers. Benefits. Plastic pallet covers come with numerous advantages, some of which are highlighted below. Protection. Versatility. Reusability. Drawbacks. Although plastic pallet covers offer many benefits, there are certain drawbacks to consider. Insufficient waterproofing. Environmental concerns. Roof use limitations. Chapter 2. What are the applications of plastic pallet covers? Plastic pallet covers can organize items. Plastic pallet covers protect products from damage. Plastic pallet covers can be used to brand items. Plastic pallet covers can hold goods packed in Gaylord containers. Chapter 3. What are the different types of plastic pallet covers? Shrink-wrap plastic pallet coverings. Advantages. Disadvantages. While shrink wrap is a versatile packaging solution, it does have key drawbacks to consider. Limited reusability. Time-intensive. Blown stretch wrap. Cast stretch wrap. Plastic pallet tarp covers. Clear plastic pallet covers. Black plastic pallet covers. Advantages of black plastic pallet covers. Thermal plastic pallet covers. Pallet top sheets. Advantages. Pallet size shrink bags on rolls. Advantages. Clear pallet size shrink bags on rolls. Advantages. Gusseted black UVI pallet covers on rolls. Advantages. Vented pallet wrap. Advantages. Pallet cover bags. Poly tarps. Poly top sheets. Frequently asked questions. What are plastic pallet covers and how do they protect goods? Which types of plastic pallet covers are suitable for temperature-sensitive shipments? How do plastic pallet covers enhance organization and branding in warehouses? What are the main advantages and disadvantages of using plastic pallet covers? Which plastic pallet covers are recommended for outdoor storage applications? Are clear plastic pallet covers suitable for long-term outdoor use? Chapter 4. What are the measurements and procedures for pallet covers? Plastic wrap pallet covering procedure. While there are no strict guidelines for pallet wrapping, the following sequence is commonly used. Proper plastic pallet cover usage. Chapter 5. What are the industrial applications of plastic pallet covers? Chapter 6. What is the difference between plastic pallet covers and plastic pallet tarps? Modern tarps are made from various materials, including polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, mesh, bio-based plastics, Chapter 7. What are the important aspects of plastic pallet covers? Plastic pallet covers thickness. Custom printing on plastic pallet covers. Materials used in covers and tarps. Durability. Cost. Choosing between clear and black UVI pallet covers. Water resistance. Reasons for using pallet top sheets. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right plastic pallet cover manufacturers for your needs.